And Samsung Electronics saw profits plummeting in the final quarter of last year. Company officials are linking the poor performance to dismal demand for memory chips. Our senior finance correspondent Lee Rae-hyun has more.
Samsung Electronics posted an earnings shock for the last 3 months of 2022. Quarterly data released by Samsung on Tuesday shows that the company's operating profit in Q4 dropped 68% on year. The figure reported was around 4.3 trillion won, which is about $3.5 billion. Sales for the same period, meanwhile, came to around 70.4 trillion won, or $57.2 billion. Experts say the latest results were mainly due to the sluggish performance of memory chips amid the global economic slowdown. In fact, operating profits for the company's chip business in Q4 came in at around 270 billion won, or almost $220 million. Compared to the same period a year earlier, that's a drop of 97%. According to one expert, there are two major external reasons.
Firstly, more than 65% of chips made in South Korea are exported to China, but following a decline in industrial growth in China, chip orders have plunged here as well. Adding to this, the economic slowdown is also causing the demand for chips to drop too.
The tech giant's operating profit for 2022 as a whole came in at a little over 43.3 trillion won, or $35.2 billion. That's another drop, this time almost 16% compared to the previous year. Sales for the year increased 8% to over 302 trillion won, or about $245 billion, marking the first time that Samsung's annual sales have surpassed 300 trillion won. Meanwhile, analysts say Samsung will continue to see a sluggish performance in the first quarter of 2023 as well, as there are no signs of recovery in global IT demand. To tame concerns, the company said it plans to supply more server-used memory chips following the release of a new central processing unit by Intel. It also aims to expand sales of its mobile flagship model Galaxy S23 while strengthening its premium tablet PCs and wearable products. Lee Rae-hyun, Arirang News.